5 common roof problems and how to prevent them, coming up right now. Installation. Too many roof problems are the result of poor workmanship. If you're a roofer, then you know that preparation is everything. Some roofers will rush the preparation phase and use cheap materials. That will surely cause problems in the future. To counter this, make sure you take your time when hiring a roofing contractor and make sure to ask the right questions. I'll leave a link in the description below to know which questions to ask. Number 2, roof leaks. Leaks are the most common roof issue, and they can be caused by various reasons. However, in most roofs, leaking usually happens because of loosely fastened flashing. The only way to remedy roof leaks is to call a professional roofer as soon as you notice the first signs of leaking. I'll leave a link in the description below to know what signs of leaking look like. Number 3, improper maintenance. Another major problem is improper maintenance. This is especially the case with commercial flat roofs. Roof maintenance is key to having a healthy roof and making your investment last for decades. You should check your roof at least twice a year by yourself or hiring a roofing professional. Number 4, poorly installed flashing. This kind of goes hand in hand with number 2, roof leaks. The installation of flashing can be improperly sealed and make the roof prone to damage. So make sure to get your roofing flashing periodically checked throughout the year to prevent minor damage turning into a major catastrophe. Number 5, improper previous repairs. If this isn't the first time you've had roofing issues, then maybe you've hired a roofing company that didn't fix the problem. It could be because of poor workmanship or low quality materials. So once again, make sure you do your due diligence when hiring a roof repair company. Ask for recommendations and check online reviews. Having roof problems is not fun, and often comes as a surprise, but being a little knowledgeable can get your roof in top shape and make your roof investment last. Well, that's it for this week, guys. And just remember, if you're a man and you have a mustache, it's Movember. Make sure you tell everybody that's cancer awareness and suicide prevention. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. See you next time, and take care.